Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up the upload of new orders from Ecwid to Zoho Inventory. This is necessary to automatically transfer new orders from Ecwid to other systems. For example, in Zoho Inventory, to create new contacts each time a new order is added to Ecwid, it is convenient to store, process and interact with them in every possible way in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Select Ecwid as the data source system. Next, you need to select the action Get Orders New. Next, you need to connect your Ecwid account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, we need to specify the login and password of the Ecwid personal account. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. There are no additional settings for the Ecwid system, so just click Edit and Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case, there is no need for this, so just click Continue. At this point, you see test data for one of your Ecwid orders. If everything suits you, click Continue. This completes the setup of the Ecwid data source successfully. Now you need to move on to setting up data reception. Choose Zoho Inventory as the data ingestion system. Next, select the Create Contact action. At this stage, you need to connect your Zoho Inventory account to the ApiX-Drive service. Enter your username and password. Give your permission to ApiX-Drive to work with your account. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. Next, you need to fill in the fields with variables from Ecwid. In order to assign a variable, click on the field to which you need to transfer data and select the required variable from the drop-down list. Please note that you can not only add variables, but also enter values manually. To go to the next line, press Enter. When all the necessary data is assigned, click Edit and Continue. At this stage, we see the test data that will be sent to Zoho Inventory. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Zoho Inventory. We go to the Zoho Inventory personal account and check the result. If everything suits you, we return to the ApiX-Drive service and continue setting up. On this, the data reception setup has been successfully completed. Now you need to enable auto-update. Select the communication interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.